Hey there YouTube, George here. How you doing? Hope everybody's doing okay. I just need to come up with a way of being able to lift the back end of this thing up and down. I don't have a paddock stand at the moment, but I do have some other stuff lying around the place that's going to do the job. I'm just using, sorry I'm out of breath, I have COVID. But I'm just using the axle stands under the paddock stand bobbins at the moment. Just a way of getting it up and down there will be handy, rather than trying to mess around lifting it and getting someone to. I need to be able to do it all on my own. So I have a few bits lying around the place. Going to get them together and see what we can come up with. Amazing what you can come up with an old scissors jack from, I think it's a Renault Traffic van. Got it in the scrapyard, and used a few bits of this extruded aluminium slotted stuff. Got all that out of work. It was being thrown out, and drill operated. There's a 19mm socket on it, and it sits right under the frame, and it will clear the back of the sump and lift it up. So even when the bike's in finished state, if you want to lift it up, because obviously these never had a centre stand, once you just take off the link pipe, which is not a big job, you can lift the back of it up and do whatever it is you want to do. So yeah, quite pleased with that. So made from junk, and didn't take that long, and it works quite well. I did get a second jack off Kieran, a good friend of mine there. He's a scrapyard locally here, so I have a second one, and we might make up something at some stage to lift the front of it up off the deck. But for now, I'm just happy to do what I'm doing, and you know, just you want to get the back wheel out to do something. I have a disc there that I got, so you know, I'll stick that on. And happy days. Anyway, that's it for this video. We'll get you in the next one. All the best. Bye bye.